Okay, I brought, so I open it. Let me get it out. Chip. What is this? Oh, we have to cut from here. So many pieces. Okay, got a doll. How do you open this up? This will take a while. Oh. Let's put it again. Okay. Whoa. I can't believe they're really open. I'm not really sure which are these for. I think this is for the foundation. This one is for the blush on. And this for the eye makeup, I think. Eyes. It's the powder and it's the foundation, I think. Oh, what is this? I don't know. Tell me in the comment section, what is this? What's palm right here? Oh, so much long. And it's silky too. Silky. Very silky. Very, very silky. Can't believe these open. Okay. So let's open the Shopkins now. Let's take all of these things. Shoe. And hat. And we have this mirror. And we have this little purse. Lipstick. Another lipstick. This is a gold lipstick. Another face powder. And we have the magic wand. And we have the so here are the Shopkins. I love them. You see, we have this hat, purse, and mirror, lipstick. We have a shoe, face powder, and another lipstick and another lipstick. And we have this also, this little thing, and dressing table. And we have some more blind bags, I think, here. So let's start opening. Oh, there's a big, big, giant tape here. It's all the way to there. I'm sure I'm not. Oh, how does this open anyways? A big, big, giant tape. So let's open all of this. Whoa, let's open it. Let's take this out with this purse. I think I just... What's stuck? Here's a party hat. There's a hole. Hello, hello. Let's open this. The Shopkins mirror. We have this shoe. Here we have the shoe. And we have this purse. And we have this face powder. A lipstick. Another lipstick. Another one, and a mirror, and a party hat, and this magic wand. It's not a real Shopkin. This is a magic wand for somebody. I think it's for this purse to put it inside. And we have this little dressing table here. Chair with it. So this is gonna sit here and oh, I can't believe it. I got some lipstick. Oh, hello. I'm not a real lipstick. I can put a real lipstick there. Thanks. Bye guys. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my Shopkin and my dolly video, please like and share. Bye. Woo! And bye guys. And here we go, full magic dust to get you this video.